If you're waking up every morning with high blood sugar, even when you eat clean, exercise, or fast, you're not alone. It's called the dawn phenomenon, and it's not your fault. Unlocking the dawn phenomenon. If you wake up to find your blood sugar is higher than when you went to bed, you're not alone in this experience. This confusing situation is a daily reality for millions managing metabolic health. You might feel frustrated, wondering what you did wrong during the night. The truth is, this often has little to do with your late-night snack, and much more to do with your body's natural rhythms. Your liver dumps glucose overnight, thinking it's helping you wake up. But that spike sets your whole day off. The good news? You can retrain your body to wake up normal again. Stick around, I'll show you 8 daily habits to reset your blood sugar naturally. How do you know if your liver's the problem? Before you start making changes, confirm if your liver's overnight activity is the driver of your high morning glucose. This gives you a clear target. Use your meter. No special gear needed. Check right before bed and write it down. On waking, before your feet hit the floor or you drink water, test again. Compare the two numbers. If your morning is 20, 30 or more points higher, it strongly suggests the dawn phenomenon, your liver dumping glucose overnight. That baseline helps you focus on calming the liver and improving insulin sensitivity through the night. There's a simple supplement combination that helps. Magnesium glycinate and alpha-lipoic acid. They work overnight to improve insulin sensitivity, so your body uses glucose instead of storing it. Taking them before bed supports steadier mornings. Magnesium drives over 300 enzymatic reactions, including glucose metabolism and insulin signaling. And many people are deficient. Glycinate is well absorbed and calming, supporting better sleep. With enough magnesium, cells respond better to insulin and clear glucose more effectively. Alpha-lipoic acid is a powerful antioxidant that supports mitochondrial energy and improves insulin sensitivity. At night, it helps your cells utilize the sugar your liver releases. Always speak with your doctor before adding magnesium glycinate, ALA, or any supplement. Get the right dose and check for interactions or contraindications. Your health is a partnership. Bring your provider onto your team. Start your day with a science-backed drink. Warm water, plus apple cider vinegar, plus cinnamon. It blunts glucose release and wakes up your metabolism naturally. Add a dash of cinnamon. Drink it 15 to 20 minutes before breakfast. Acetic acid slows stomach emptying and carbohydrate absorption, preventing sharp spikes. You'll see a smaller, gentler rise after eating. Cinnamon compounds can mildly improve insulin sensitivity. Simple, soothing, effective. A small habit with outsized metabolic impact. Make it your first morning step. Eat fiber and protein first, carbs last. The order you eat your food can cut your glucose spike by 30–40%. Example, eat eggs and avocado first and save the toast for last. Fiber, fat, and protein create a buffer that slows down carb breakdown and absorption. Result, a gentler, more gradual rise. No need to change what you eat, only the order. Studies show significantly lower post-meal glucose and insulin with this approach. Repeat it and let your body relearn a calmer response to meals. Switch from sugar or aspartame to monk fruit or allulose. They sweeten without raising insulin or gut inflammation. Sugar, honey, and maple syrup directly raise blood sugar. Many artificial sweeteners don't spike glucose, but can disrupt your gut microbiome. Monk fruit is a natural zero glycemic option. Allulose tastes like sugar but doesn't spike blood sugar. Enjoy sweetness without the metabolic penalty. A small swap that adds up over every cup. Try a morning shot, lemon juice, ginger, cayenne, and turmeric. It wakes up your metabolism and helps your body burn glucose faster. These ingredients can support healthy inflammation levels and give your metabolism a slight boost. It's not a magic bullet, but it signals your body that the day has begun and your metabolic engine is on. A warm, invigorating way to wake your digestion and prime it for the food to come. Drink green tea or cinnamon tea mid-morning. They improve gut bacteria and lower insulin resistance. Green tea's EGCG supports insulin sensitivity and a healthy microbiome. Cinnamon tea can help your cells respond better to insulin. Together with gentle movement, these habits smooth your glucose curve and prevent the mid-morning slump. Enjoy steady energy without the crash. Make it a daily ritual you look forward to. Before breakfast, move for 10 minutes, walk, stretch, or do light yoga. It wakes up your muscles to absorb sugar before your liver releases more. It doesn't need to be intense, just activate large muscle groups. Gentle yoga works beautifully. Movement acts like a sponge, soaking up circulating glucose. Lower your baseline before the first bite to cut the meal spike dramatically. 10 minutes is a small investment with a huge metabolic return. Feel grounded, clear, and ready for breakfast. Fixing your morning blood sugar isn't about a single cure. It's simple, consistent habits that retrain your metabolism. Night before, test your numbers, confirm the liver's role. Consider nighttime supplements, magnesium glycinate, alpha-lipoic acid, always with your doctor's approval. Morning rituals, warm elixir of apple cider vinegar and cinnamon, then 10 minutes of gentle movement before you eat. Breakfast, food order hack, fiber and protein first. Smart swaps, monk fruit, allulose. Mid-morning, a thermogenic shot, then green tea or cinnamon tea. Proceed with care and professional oversight, especially if you take diabetes medications. You don't need extreme diets or new meds to wake up healthy, just simple, consistent habits that retrain your body naturally. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and share this with someone managing diabetes or prediabetes. Let's reboot health together.